Hi, I'm Brielle Benyon for Cure Magazine, your guide to every stage of the cancer experience. Here's a sneak peek at what's inside our spring 2019 issue. First up, does cannabis have a positive effect on patients with cancer? Although researchers are still conducting studies to gain further evidence, its popularity is driving its legalization for therapeutic use. Our cover story, Flower Power, covers all the angles. Next, patients with head and neck cancer are keeping the options open. Learn about the less toxic treatment choices that are moving to be used as initial therapy for patients and hopefully improving their quality of life. And at the age of 21, one woman was told she had the BRCA1 gene mutation, which meant she had 55 to 85% lifetime risk of developing breast cancer. Years later, and after undergoing a double prophylactic mastectomy, she learned that she was misdiagnosed. Her story, plus how she's making lemonade from life's lemons. To read these stories and more, visit curetoday.com/publications and click on the latest Cure cover. Or ensure you don't miss a story when you subscribe to our new issue alerts. Visit curetoday.com/email-profile for more information. As always, thanks for reading.